Apple officially announces iPhone 17 series launch event on September 9th. A very quick hands-on video has surfaced in China, purportedly depicting a real iPhone 17 Pro Max unit being handled by someone working on the iPhone production line. Apple will introduce the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, two new high-end flagship devices that will be sold alongside the iPhone 17 and the all-new ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air that's replacing the iPhone 17 Plus. iPhone 17 series cases leak. The iPhone 17 Pro models will get a refreshed design for the rear casing and the camera area. The iPhone 17 Pro models could be available in a copper-like orange color, along with black, gray, silver, and a dark blue shade. New tech-woven case colors for iPhone 17 revealed. The iPhone 17 Pro will continue to measure in at 6.3 inches, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be 6.9 inches. Apple is developing new A-series chips for the iPhone 17 Pro models, built on the latest 3nm node A19 Pro with 12GB RAM. All four 2025 iPhone models have an upgraded 24-megapixel front-facing camera. Apple is expected to upgrade the telephoto lens to 48 megapixels, a major improvement over the current 12-megapixel telephoto lens. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could have Apple's biggest iPhone battery to date, with a battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.